ready to unlock the power of Solana right from your pocket. First up, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Phantom Wallet. Be sure to download the official app while you'll look for the Phantom logo to avoid any fakes. Tap install, and once that's done, open the Phantom app. Now, you'll see two options: create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. Since we're setting up a new wallet, tap create a new wallet. This is super important. This next screen shows your 1 to RD secret recovery phrase. Write it down exactly as it appears and store it in a safe, offline place. This is your only backup. If you lose access to your wallet, pretend this phrase is the key to your digital treasure. Guard it well. Seriously, don't skip this. Copy it onto a piece of paper, not a digital note on your phone or computer, as those could be hacked. Now, create a strong, unique password for your wallet. This is what you'll use to access it daily. So make it something memorable but hard to guess. Great! You've created your Phantom wallet. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Remember, keep your secret recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. And that's it. You are now ready to explore the world of Solana. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.